Germany, a country where fairytale castles rise above mist-filled valleys, where ancient towns glow with warm lantern light, and where modern skylines reflect boldly against timeless rivers. From the snow-capped Alps to the quiet shores of the North Sea, Germany's landscapes, culture, and history create a travel experience unlike any other. Today, we'll explore the most breathtaking places across this remarkable country. Prepare for a cinematic journey through natural wonders, architectural masterpieces, and unforgettable moments that define the true spirit of Germany. Our adventure begins in Bavaria, home to some of the most iconic and dreamlike sights in Europe. The legendary Neuschwanstein Castle, with its soaring towers and dramatic mountain backdrop, feels as if it were lifted straight from the pages of a storybook. At sunrise, the castle glows with soft golden light, creating a truly magical scene. Nearby lies the emerald beauty of Lake Eibsee, where crystal-clear waters shimmer beneath the mighty Zugspitze. Reflections of alpine peaks ripple gently across the surface, offering one of Germany's most stunning natural views. Charming Bavarian towns like Füssen, Mittenwald, and Garmisch-Partenkirchen invite you to wander through quiet streets, colorful houses, and traditional mountain scenery. Bavaria is where Germany's fairy tale spirit truly comes alive. Next, we journey to Munich, a vibrant city that blends classical beauty with a modern heartbeat. In Marienplatz, the towering new town hall and its famous Glockenspiel captivate visitors with their intricate Gothic details. Just a short walk away, the English Garden stretches peacefully across the city, offering riverside trails, Japanese gardens, and the unique sight of surfers riding the Eisbach wave. Between grand palaces, bustling beer gardens, and world-class museums, Munich offers an atmosphere that feels both historic and refreshingly alive. It's a perfect starting point for exploring Germany's cultural richness. Our journey continues in Berlin, a city shaped by history, strengthened by resilience, and celebrated for its creativity. Standing proudly at the heart of Berlin is the Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of unity and hope. Nearby, the Reichstag with its glass dome offers sweeping views of the city and a deeper connection to Germany's democratic spirit. The East Side Gallery, a long stretch of the Berlin Wall covered in colorful murals, reminds us of the power of art and freedom. Berlin's museums, street art, and vibrant neighborhoods reveal a city that never stops reinventing itself. This is Germany's capital of ideas, culture, and transformation. Venturing southwest, we enter the enchanting Black Forest, a region where dense evergreen trees, rolling hills, and quiet lakes create an atmosphere of pure tranquility. The soothing sound of water fills the air around Triberg Falls, one of Germany's tallest and most beautiful waterfalls. Timber-framed houses and traditional workshops lie nestled among the forest, adding to the magical charm. Lakes like Titisee and Mummelsee reflect the deep greens of the surrounding pine trees, offering peaceful views perfect for slow, cinematic shots. The Black Forest is a place where ancient legends and breathtaking nature meet. Following the flow of the mighty Rhine River, we discover one of Germany's most scenic and romantic landscapes. Steep vineyard-covered hills rise above the river, crowned with medieval castles that overlook villages frozen in time. The towns of Bacharach, Rudesheim, and Boppard offer charming streets lined with half-timbered houses and riverfront views. One of the most impressive sights on the Rhine is Marksburg Castle, an authentic medieval fortress that has survived centuries of conflict. This UNESCO World Heritage region is a treasure trove of history, beauty, and unforgettable vistas. In northern Germany, Hamburg shines with its unique combination of water, culture, and cutting-edge architecture. The striking Elbphilharmonie rises above the harbor like a shimmering glass wave. While the historic Speicherstadt, a maze of red brick warehouses, glows beautifully during sunset. The city's canals, bridges, and open waterfront make Hamburg feel both grand and intimate. A cruise along the Elbe offers views of towering ships, elegant architecture, and a city deeply connected to the sea. Along the Rhine lies Cologne, famous for its breathtaking cathedral, one of the tallest Gothic structures ever built. The Cologne Cathedral's twin spires reach toward the sky, offering some of the most spectacular views in Germany. Inside, towering stained glass windows fill the space with radiant color. Just across the river, the Hohenzollern Bridge is covered in thousands of love locks, each representing a story, a memory, a moment. Cologne's charm lies in its warm energy, historic beauty, and riverside serenity. Scattered across the country are villages that feel ouched by time. Rothenburg ob der Tauber stands out as one of the world's most perfectly preserved medieval towns. Its cobblestone streets, half-timbered houses, and candlelit evenings create a fairy tale atmosphere. In Bamberg, canals flow gently through the town, earning it the name Little Venice. Meanwhile, Heidelberg captivates visitors with its romantic castle ruins perched above a vibrant old town. Each village offers its own blend of history, charm, and quiet beauty, perfect for capturing Germany's authentic soul. Our journey reaches its breathtaking climax in the German Alps. In Berchtesgaden National Park, towering cliffs rise dramatically above the emerald waters of Lake Königssee. A peaceful boat ride leads to St. Bartholomew's Church, whose red domes and white walls create a stunning contrast against the rugged mountains. Further in, the serene beauty of Lake Obersee reveals glass-like reflections of alpine peaks, offering one of the most calming and beautiful landscapes in Europe. The German Alps provide a perfect ending, majestic, peaceful, and unforgettable. No journey through Germany would be complete without exploring its hearty and comforting cuisine. Freshly baked pretzels, flavorful sausages, golden schnitzels, and sweet black forest cake are just the beginning. Each region adds its own specialties, from Bavarian beer halls filled with laughter to northern seafood dishes inspired by the coast. German food is rich in tradition, made for sharing and filled with warmth. It brings people together and celebrates the country's proud culinary heritage. As our journey comes to an end, Germany reveals itself as a land of breathtaking contrasts, where ancient castles stand proudly beside modern skylines, where quiet forests meet lively cities, and where every landscape tells a story. Whether you seek adventure, inspiration, or moments of peaceful reflection, Germany offers experiences that stay with you long after you leave. This is a country of beauty, culture, and unforgettable memories.